Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my Tuesday 60-second DIY. What will it be today? I got a little Mellow Yellow supplies for you, and most of them come from Dollar Tree. I also want to bring you some DIY inspiration as well as your own inspiration, and tell me what you think down below in the comments. I love chatting with you. So let's get started on our Mellow Yellow 60-second DIY today. Come on. All right, I'm first starting out with a jar that I purchased at Walmart, and I use it during the winter time and had all these snowflakes, but our snow has melted, so we're ready to turn it into some spring. I'm also using some floral pieces and some other things, but we first need a clock. All right, so I poured out all the Epsom salt and I cleaned my jar, and I'm just going to use a little bit of this floral moss from Dollar Tree, and I had some little greenery stuff in there, and so just gonna add that in there for the bottom. Not too much. I had some of those little moss pebbles that you can get at Dollar Tree. I threw a little bit of those in, and these little blue birds I got at Dollar Tree. They're so cute, and you can actually make this little jar into anything that you like. It is a perfect jar to use all year round, Christmas, summer, all kinds. And so I've been in this sort of yellow mood lately, and I just used all my yellow flowers, and all of these floral pieces came from Dollar Tree. And look at that, my time is up, and look how cute it turned out. When I was setting it up for display to take the pictures, I thought, let's let some of that eucalyptus come out the top without the lid. And I love it like that, and I also love it with the lid on there. There's just numerous ways that you can use these wonderful jars, and so many fun spring things you could put in. How about even a nest? Could add that in there. So have fun creating your jar today, and I hope I've created some inspiration for you. And for my next quick project, I'm starting out with a crumpled piece of brown butcher paper. I've got an old scrap piece of chicken wire, some floral pieces, and then that frame is from Walmart that I got for $4. So I crumpled up the paper. I thought it was really cool to use that texture, and I took the glass out of the frame and I just covered it with the brown paper. Now I'm going to take the chicken wire that I'd already cut down to size, and to make sure I didn't have any pieces sticking out, I just used duct tape. It worked out perfectly, but the only thing, it was really thick when you put it back into the frame, and so I just secured it down with some duct tape. And then the fun part is adding all your beautiful florals in there. Of course, I'm using yellow today. You could use any colors that you like. I loved the brown paper with the yellow. I thought that was a good combination, but using some lavender or any other colors that you like. I also added my lovely little burlap ribbon bow down at the bottom. I love how it blends in, and this is so pretty and so easy. And like I said, you could use any color combos that you like. And remember to check out those frames at Walmart. They're very sturdy, very thick, very well made for $4. I think that's a great deal. So have fun making your little flower frame today. And my last project today, I'm starting out with these little candle holders from Dollar Tree, some yellow filler, and some lavender, all from Dollar Tree. But what could be in those boxes? Let's get our clock started. And look what I bought from Amazon. Now, I love the push lights at Dollar Tree, but these are fantastic. You get 6 for $16, and it comes with 2 remotes, and they are so bright, and you can even turn them down, and that has a timer on there as well. I love, like I said, I love the Dollar Tree push lights, but these are just so fun to use as well. Now I'm using some of that yellow paper filler, some of my lavender. I think the lavender and yellow go well together. Pop those in there, and you can use any color combo that you like. And then, boom, you can't see them right now, but here we go. I've got 3 seconds, 2 seconds, I'm done. Look how cute these are in the daytime. And then you can put them outside on your patio table. And 1, 2, 3, turn them on magically. Woohoo! Isn't that beautiful? You could even just leave the glass little votive cups empty with just the lights. But I think it's so fun that this is what it would look like during the daytime. And then at night, you just turn on the lights secretly and magically, and it just illuminates beautifully. So I hope you enjoyed all of my 60-second DIYs today. They were so much fun and so quick and easy. I love DIYs like that, and very, very inexpensive. This frame floral was so easy. I'm so excited about it. I love it. And then I love the little push lights with the remote control. I will link the ones that I got on Amazon. I just think it's a great price for them, and they last a great, great long time. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget, every Tuesday I do a 60-second DIY, and Saturdays is my full DIY episode, although I'm so sorry I wasn't able to upload last Saturday. Just had some issues happen and I wasn't able to. But thank you for joining me on Soozie's Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.